Assalamu alaikum, my dear friend. Hope you all are doing great. And if you are new here, my name is Mujib Rahman and I live in a small village of district Naushad Feroz. My dear friend, in this video, I will tell you how I learned to speak English. First of all, to be honest, I want to make you clear one thing that when I started my English journey, I worked hard for 4 months and after it, I stopped speaking English and it has been 2 months to me that I stopped speaking. And now I have started speaking English again. My dear friend, I want to make you clear one thing that to be honest, speaking it's not easy for everyone, but on the other end, it's not difficult for everyone. Yes, my dear friend, everything in this time, I have told you many times in my previous video that in this time we are living in 2026 and we have a lot of opportunities to do something new in our life. My dear friend, if you have one mobile and you have a internet, you can achieve everything whatever you want, but it should be is in your control. My dear friend, I have told you that speaking, to be honest, my dear friend, to be honest, speaking it's not difficult, and I have told you that I have completed my 10th class and I have worked hard in grammar. Yes, my dear friend, I have worked hard in grammar and I know, as far as I know all the rules of grammar. Tenses, modal verbs, basic modal verbs, narration, active, passive, parts of speech, modal verbs, everything. As far as I know everything in grammar. But after it, after working hard on grammar, and now I can say that my English is good and my grammar is good. But after it, I find only one thing that if you want to speak English, there is no need to work hard in grammar. My dear friend, many people, I have seen a lot of people while thinking this kind of activities that we want to speak English, but how can we speak English? If we speak English, first we will have to remember a lot of words. After it, we should have good command over the English, and we should have good confidence, and we don't have confidence. In this time, I have told you many times that everything comes from learning. The more you learn, the more you earn. My dear friend, everything comes from learning. The more you speak, the more you learn. The more you learn, the more you gain. I want to make you clear one thing that many people think this thing because they can't speak English because of this thing that we can't speak English. We should have good command over the English. We should have a lot of words. It's completely fake that I am telling you that my English is good. I have worked hard in grammar. After working hard, I find only one thing that in the beginning, English is not, my dear friend, difficult. English is not difficult. It's easy, but we made it difficult, and day by day we are making it very, very difficult. I know it's not easy for everyone, but at the end, it's not difficult for everyone. My dear friend, you can achieve everything, whatever you want, but you have to patience and you have to courage, and you should work hard. If you work hard, any kind of profession, not only English, you can learn everything, whatever you want with the help of YouTube. I have told you many times in this time, we are living in 2026 and we have a lot. If you have mobile and you have YouTube, you can learn everything, whatever you want with the help of YouTube. My dear friend, yes. That's how I learned to speak English, because speaking it's not difficult, and I want to make you clear. And the other thing, it's not difficult, but we made it difficult to speak English. When we were a child, people used to say it's very difficult to speak English. It's very difficult. You can't speak English. That's why we are thinking that it's difficult. No, my dear friend. Everything you can do, everything in your life, whatever you want, but you have to patience and you have to work hard. If you have patience and you can do work hard, you can achieve everything, whatever you want with the help of YouTube. My dear friend, everything can be done by you because if you have patience and you have you have courage, that you can do anything in your life. Many people think if we want to speak English, we should have good command over the English, and we have no confidence. Let me complete one thing that when you are doing any kind of activity, in the first time you will find it very difficult, and English is like that. In the first time you will start speaking, you will find it's very difficult. We can't. I want to make you clear one thing. When I started my English journey, I could not speak even 2 or 3 sentences together. I had a friend and he used to say me, Mujib, you know very well English and grammar. After it, you can't speak English continuously. and I used to make him understand that I know all the grammars, all the rules of grammar. After that, I can't speak English continuously because I am new and I am a beginner. I will have take time to learn English. I mean, if you are speaking any new language, not only English but also Arabic, Urdu, Punjabi, Pashto, whatever you want to speak. In the first time, your mind is unknown about that language, about that profession, about that activity which you are unknown. In the first time, you will find it is very difficult. But day by day, when you do the same work, after some month, after some weeks, you will find it very easy and day by day. I want to make you clear one thing, that when I started my English journey, in the beginning, I could not speak 2 or 3 sentences together. And but I did not give up and I spoke continuously. I have patience and I have courage. I have patience, I had courage and I had patience that one day I will learn English, how to speak English. I will be known how to speak English. And that's why today you can see I can speak English. My dear friend, in this today's video, I know I am making some mistakes, but I have courage to make mistakes. First, let me complete. If you don't make mistakes, how can you learn? I know I am agree on this thing that I am making mistakes, but I am improving my English with the help of this video. I am making this video because of my own interest. Because I believe and I think if I can make my video and I can improve my English, if I can speak English, then you also can. So I will again and again I will say only one thing, that you should start speaking English. No matter how words you have, no matter how rules, how grammars, no matter how much grammar you know, and no matter how confidence you have. In the beginning, I know you don't know the words, you don't know the grammar rules, you don't know you have no confidence. But after it, when you start this thing, after some weeks, after some months, you will not believe on yourself. After some time, you will have to believe on yourself that how can I improve my English? You will not believe on yourself. Because we are human beings, we can do everything, whatever we want. So, I think I should end up this video. If you are watching my video till now, please like my video, do comment and subscribe. We will meet on the next video.